Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Anyway. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your account cannot be linked because your PlayStation or Xbox Steam account already linked EA account. If this getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you are begin, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu, click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. Check your account. So go to that your browser, then type that EA sign in, then come to check it your email address and next button click here to check it your login page, then check it, then you're correctly working or not working, check it, then work it, then go to the next step, change account password. Sometimes not working, then only then go to that same, give the email and go to the forget your password, click to change it your password, then your problem fix it. Now again check it, then go to the next step, EA contact help. So go to the browser, then type that EA support. Just click to EA help official support. Then click in the, then click to management my accounts. Then click on that. You will get back to in the your EA account. Then click to you fix it. Then go to the next step. Disable your VPN connection. Sometimes you are connected VPN, then disable it. Then your problem fix it. And I hope to this video helpful for you. Please like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. This method working or not working, comment section go to comment and subscribe to support this YouTube.